Hafa Day guys, Yata here, and today I'll be doing a maximum gold opening. So this is going to be the first video on my channel, and hopefully we get some good pulls today, and I'm hoping we can get at least blue eyes, red eyes, or how do you even blue eyes, red eyes, or even dark magician. All right, here we go. We got 5 mini boxes, and I believe there is 4 packs in each one. So let's get to it. Whoa, what's going on here? There's only 1 on this side and there's 3 on this side. Okay, this is how it looks on the inside. Let me put this to the side. All right, we got 4 packs here. Let's go see what we can pull. All right, we got number 87, Queen of the Night, the White Stone of Ancients, and our first one, Beatrice, Lady of the Eternal. Wow. Dang, this feels so good. And the next one is number 74, Master of Blades, and Infinite Impermanence. Wow. Oh, what's this? A little ding up here on top. But there you go, guys. Our first Infinite Impermanence and Dimensional Prison and Tuning. All right, next pack. I heard there are also misprints in this set, and they're selling really high on eBay for some reason. So maybe we'll even get lucky and pull one. So Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Coyote, Union Scramble, and Artifact Lancia. Unexpected Die and Miscellaneous Saurus for all those Dino deck users right here. Imperial Tomb of Necro Valley and Tour Bus to the Forbidden Realms. All right, next pack. I'll go by quick. Trap Tricks, Dianea, Extra Foolish Burial, and Forbidden Chalice. Transcode Talker, Condemned Witch, and Ghost Sister and Spooky Dogwood. Wow, this is so cool. And number 101, Silent. Next pack. Gotta go through this quick. I don't want to make this video too long. Number C101, Cyber Dragon Infinity, Madolce Knights, Miracle Contact, and Kitchen Dragon Maid. That's our first Kitchen Dragon Maid, guys. Number C107, Dimensional Prison. Right, next box. Pack in box number 2. Buster Blader, Noble Knight Pelennor, and Harpy's Feather Duster. Wow. Lair of Darkness, Madolce Knights, and Laundry Dragon Maid. Necro Valley Throne, Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit. Let's go. Another Condemned Witch, Dark Lord Morningstar, and Appaloosa, Bow of the Goddess. Wow. I got the Appaloosa from the Megaton, and this one is beautiful. Right? Hidden Temples of Necro Valley and Speedroid Red Eyed Dice. Alright, next pack, White Prince. Ooh, I'm gonna use this for my Skull Servant deck. Dragon's Mirror, Foolish Burial, and number 39 Utopia Beyond, and Tour Guide from the Underworld. Nice. And Martial Metal Marcher. There we go. And Hey Trunade, formerly known as Giant Trunade. Alright. Last pack of box 2. Drowning Mirror Force, Monster Reborn, Starlight Junction, Mistake, and Elder Entity Entis, or Ints. Alright. Lady Debug and Storming Mirror Force. Right. Next box. Alright, let me just fix this stack of the new gold rare. Next pack of box number 3. Extra Foolish Burial, Transcode Talker, and Condemned Witch, and Phantasme. Let's go. And another Ghost Bell. Oh, not another one, but I got the variations already. And Lady Debug and Hey Trunade. Can we pull an Ash Blossom? Come on. Buster Blader, the First Monarch, and a Nurse Dragon Maid. Alright, we got 3 Dragon Maids already. Synchron Carrier, the Fire Formation Gyoku, and Super Polymerization. Alright. Good start. But where are the Ash? Where are the Blue Eyes, Red Eyes, and Dark Magician? Alright, next pack. Gear Gigant X, Eater of Millions, and a Ghost Bell of the Haunted Mansion. Oh, it's even the alternate of this. Perfect. Machine Duplication, and another Phantasme. Got 2 of those now. Noble Knight Ichtar and Dark Lord Rebellion. Alright, next pack. Dark Lord Contact, Go Gigas, Bury Statue of the Torrent, Lose 1 turn, and Dark Rebellion Exceeds Dragon. And Zodiac Chakanine. Wow. Man, I tell you guys, these are beautiful. And last, Hidden Temple of Necro Valley. Right. Box number 4, here we go. I am just getting back into Yu-Gi-Oh, and I bought a few sets before this one. Rise of the Duelist, Battles of Legends Armageddon, Rage of Ra, and Megatons. So this is just the beginning. Alright, Extra Foolish Burial, number C101, and Gaia the Dragon Champion. Wow. Shiny. Lose 1 turn, Bury Statue of Drought, and Cosmo Town. I like how we're not getting too much doubles of the cards, and more on the variety. And this is just one display. I have 3 more to go, and you'll see it in the next video. So here we go. The White Stone of the Ancients, Traptrix Dionea, Transcode Talker, Anti-Magic Arrows, and House Dragon Maid. Alright, like I said, we're getting a variety of these Dragon Maids. Perfect. Preparation rites. It's been a long time since I've opened Yu-Gi-Oh cards, maybe like 13 years. So I'm glad to be back. And with the twist, I'm starting this YouTube channel. So right here, Mech Knight of the Morning Star, totally awesome. I know this is one of the good gold rares. Unexpected Die and Infernity Mirage and Polymerization. Man, this is a really good box. Brother of the Firefist Buffalo and Sky Palace Gengaridai. Wonder if I said that right. Last pack of box number 4. Here we go. Lost World, Union Hanger, Synchron Carrier, and Ash Blossom of Joy and Joyous Spring. Oh my gosh. Here we go, guys. We got most of them, and another miscellaneous Saurus right here, and Link Karibo. You can always use this one on terraforming. And last box for you guys. Hopefully you like what you guys see so far. I'll be opening more of this in the next few days. So please like and subscribe and hit the bell so that you guys know when my next video will be up. And here we go. Last box of Destiny. Look how shifted it is, but oh well. We take what we get, right? First pack of the last box, of the last mini box. Okay, here we go. Scrap Recycler, Artifact Lancia. Okay, we got 2 of these now. Temple of the Six, Madolche Chateau, and Dark Rebellion Xyz Dragon. 2 of that. Set Rotation and Lady Debug. What can we pull next? Dark Lord in Eggshell, Mecha Phantom Beast Draco Sack, Cyber Dragon Core, and Reinforcement of the Armor. Rhoda, baby! And Kitchen Dragon Maid again. Circle of the Fire Kings and Grapha, Dragon Lord of Dark World. 2 more packs to go. Can we pull one of the big 3? I'm pretty happy with what I got for this display. Drowning Mirror Force, Noble Knight Dristan, Artifact Lancia, Barrier Statue of the Drought. Can we pull a Nibiru at least? Madolche Chateau and number S39 Utopia the Lightning. Okay, one last pack before I let you guys go. Dark Lord Contact, Traptrix Dionea, Boral Sword Dragon. Alright, for the last pack. What is it? Traptrix Mantis and Trixar Reincarnation. And here it is, the Phantom Knights of Rusty Bardiche. And there you have it, guys. This was my first display case and my very first video on YouTube. So please like and subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Yata Guam, peace out.